a long time from poor forecasting, and this is an area, please, I would ask the committee to talk to the National Treasury on a very serious note. The exaggerations are in the National Treasury, and let me just give one example. When I was doing the budget for consolidated fund services, this is where my salary is paid from. I found out that my salary was budgeted at 3 times what I'm paid. I am the only state officer in my institution. So there's nothing like confusion there. I'm all alone. So I asked them, why is the budget showing 3 times what my annual salary is? And it was like that for all the state officers. The spending to particular outcomes is done properly. Then I think we'll be home and dry. These people are going to turn around the economy by spending and therefore paying VAT. So if you have happy farmers, you will have a happy country. For me, that is what I would say.
It's also clear that the income support that government gives through cash transfers is insufficient, both in terms of the number of people covered and the amount. So even without necessarily changing the amount, basically expanding it to say 1-2 million other households is all affordable. 8 billion shillings for the top, I mean the bottom 25%, that's doable. It's not too much money, and it would have substantial effects, basically even in cohesion.
In a way, because it seems as if the import declaration levy is levied on the CIF, cost, insurance, and flights. So as the price of international prices go up, similarly, this also goes up.
Tutigane na sige Miario Ya Uiguano tukirongoreria kana tukirongoria